What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another video with your boy Scooter. As y'all can see, man, we got the SS right now. We getting gas. Just dropped my shoe, but we got the SS right now. We fueling up. We finna get ready to give y'all a POV. I feel like the last one I did, it wasn't really worthy. It was worthy, but I just felt like the last one wasn't lit, man. Like, that's not me, man. When I do these POVs, I like to cut up, but I'm getting that gas, and once we fill up, we're gonna get on the road, man. New to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, do all that, and yeah, man, let's get into it. No cap. Ooh, but you can't never go wrong with that right there. You can't never go wrong with that. But, man, like I said, I felt like that last one we did, man, it wasn't my bad, y'all, man. I got ready to pull off or whatever, and the thing started playing music. But yeah, man, we finna do things how they really supposed to be. Y'all a real POV, man, like I said, man, y'all a real one. We gon' cut the traction out. Y'all a real one, man. You know what I'm saying? I ain't give y'all a good one last time, so I gotta give y'all a hold. Let me get this. I gotta get used to holding this camera, man. Like this is kind of difficult. But yeah, man, I ain't really give y'all a good one last time. I'ma drive how the car's supposed to be drove. Let's see these downshifts. Roll the window, hold up. Listen up. Mind you, I am driving with one hand, so this is a little more difficult. Cut that air off. Get that out of there. Yeah, man, just listen to these pipes though on these country roads, man. Can't get enough of these country roads though. Enough of that. We just riding good on the county roads. No way. I don't know what I was just finna say. I rolled the window up. And another city living long, yeah. Pretty God, I can make it back home. Yeah. This right here is actually normal. This is not sport, none of that right there. This right here is just normal. I'm finna put it in sport. After I get to this light. I actually like this little road right here. This ain't that bad, Cool or dry. Alright, let's hit downshift. Thought that was the feds right there, guys. They do be sitting on these little county roads. Woo-wee. I'm saying we riding pretty good right now, just to be in normal, you know, regular shit, street, whatever you want to call it. We riding pretty good. Pause. I had to cut the air on a little bit, God dang. It's a little hot. I like the country roads, man. Let me know how y'all feel about the country roads, and let me know how y'all day been, man. Y'all tap in with me, man. I'm trying to get consistent with this stuff, man, for real. Mods are on the way, all of that good stuff. So yeah, man. Y'all just lock in with your boy. I'm telling you. Realized we were going 71. Let's slow down, come around these turns. I can't really see nothing for real. Okay, there's one car. Now what I'm finna do, I'm finna flip it to sport. The steering wheel gonna tighten up a little bit now. And I'm finna give y'all a pull with it in sport. Show y'all right when I get over this hill. Making the whole car shake, boy. Sport mode, the steering wheel tightens up way more. Like, it don't even feel, you know, which I watched that on a video and found that out. So, but also the actual feeling, you can tell that it tightens up. I'm surprised this really don't look dark with this tint. For real. It don't look that dark. Not like how I thought it was gonna look. Oh. If I had my head mount, I'd spin right now, but I ain't really too, you know, as far as spinning with one hand, I don't know about that. I ain't gonna try all that, man. But I just had to get y'all. I had to get y'all a POV, man. It just didn't sit right with me today. Something in my body told me, hey, man, get up and go record, bro. You ain't doing nothing else. Go record. At least do that. I need to bring my head mount next time though, because I did work out today and I did shoulders. So me just holding this phone up right now is, boy, this is a workout. This is a workout. Gotta love it though, man. You gotta love that SS, man. It done grew on me. random thing to say, but have y'all heard Autumn new album? It's crazy. That's what I was just listening to before before the video started or whatever. The Autumn new album is crazy. Can't lie. How I'm gonna do this? I want to at least do it one time before I end the video. But be real though, man. Riding on these country roads is a vibe. Y'all cannot say it's not a vibe riding on these roads. This is a vibe. Of course, everybody love the city drives, the bright lights, all that. But when the sun is setting and you just cruising like this, you can't get no better than this, man. You can't beat this. You can't beat this. Trust me. You cannot beat this. I don't know, man. That's one thing about these being out here. There's no, none of that. But yeah, man, I just had to show y'all, that I could drive somewhat more, than what it was. That last one I did, it wasn't even bad. Now that I think about it, it wasn't bad. It was just bad because I had that sunroof. The convertible top down, and all you heard was wind. That's all you heard in that video. And I hate that. That's all you heard was wind. So I had to come back with another one and make it up for y'all, man. I gotta make it up. Come on now. Oh boy. But, man, I'm gonna go and cap this video off, man. We getting back into limits, and I can't give out my addresses or nothing like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, man, consistent me is on the way. Consistent scooter is on the way, man, which is currently right now going on. If you enjoyed, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And then I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.